How do you know it's time to upgrade to a new bike? What does upgrade even mean? What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all having a fantastic day. Since it's been a little over a year now since I bought my MT-03, my very first motorcycle, I've been thinking about the question, is it time to get a new bike? AKA what people refer to as upgrading. First off, my guy, what does upgrade even mean? Does it mean to get a more powerful motorcycle? Or is it just to get a newer model year of any CC bike? Or is it getting an old bike to turn into a project? Or is it getting the same CC bike you have now, but with better tech? The point is, everyone's definition of quote-unquote upgrading is different. So I've been thinking about, what does upgrading mean to me? Since I'm still relatively new to the motorcycle world, and I basically only have experience on a naked bike, which I absolutely love by the way, I wanted to try dabbling into the sport bike world. If I'm being honest, sport bikes are what attracted me to motorcycles in the first place. But my value of comfort eventually overtook my desire to get a sports bike as my first one. So now that the type of motorcycle that I want to get is out of the way, are there any comfortable sport bikes out there? By comfortable, I mean where the ergonomics are not incredibly aggressive. At first, that sounded like a very contradictory statement to me. Like a not so aggressive sports bike, does that even make sense? But lo and behold, these unicorns are actually out there. So I found a few sports bikes where the ergonomics are not as aggressive. So first was the Kawasaki Ninja 650. Then there was the Honda CBR 650R. And then there was the new Yamaha R7, which is pretty much similar to the MT-07, but in a more sports ergonomics package. I looked in the Euro world too, and I found the Ducati Supersport. And then there's also the new Aprilia RS 660. To be honest, I really wanted an R1 when I was younger, and so the R6 was looking real nice. But when I looked at the ergonomics on Cycle Ergo, they looked pretty damn aggressive and uncomfortable. By the way guys, if you haven't checked out cycleergo.com, it's a site I found while browsing on forums, but it's for motorcycle ergonomics. It's basically a simulator where you can choose a motorcycle in their database, enter your height and inseam, and it tells you how your riding position ergos will be. It's pretty nifty. This isn't sponsored or anything, it was just a cool tool I found when I was trying to do my research. So if you want to check it out, go for it. Anyways, so a comfortable sports bike was my criteria. Having tech would be nice since the MT-03 basically has none, but it is not necessary at the same time. Like, it would be nice to have, but it's not a necessity. Reliability is important, but if it's within warranty, it's generally okay with me, as long as I have a dealer by me that could do the warranty work, etc., etc. Would I buy used or new? I guess it depends on deals that I can find or you can find. Good value is important to me, which means I don't want to overpay for something just for the sake of having it. Like, I don't need to be, the first person to have the best thing in the world all the time, or ever, really. Okay, so you've made a criteria for your next bike. But how do you know it's time to actually upgrade, quote unquote upgrade? I don't think there's such thing as like ride your beginner or first motorcycle for at least 1 year, or you need to ride for X number of miles before upgrading. I think the key is to get as many different riding experiences you can within your first motorcycle, while you have your first motorcycle. So local streets, parking lots, highways, mountain roads, some aggressive riding in the twisties, riding in different terrains, in heavy traffic, maybe even track or dirt riding experience. So basically just trying to expose yourself to as many different situations as possible so that you're able to actually learn from them. Like, you can go 5,000 miles on your beginner motorcycle bike, but if they're all freeway miles, you won't really improve your riding skills as a rider, right? You're literally just going straight down one road, back and forth every single day. Not much variety there, not much for you to learn from. I don't think you have to master every motorcycle riding skill before upgrading either. Like, the point is to build the discipline and then carry over that to the next bike. I think that's the important thing. So be willing to spend the time to improve your skills, and knowing that your skills need to be improved, and it's a constant process. For me, I realized that I was feeling more and more comfortable during scary moments while riding. For example, riding in heavy traffic where cars may almost hit me, or coming into a turn too fast and then maintaining composure and control instead of panic braking or freezing up. To me, that change in confidence and composure was a possible sign that maybe I was ready for something more. So when did you realize for yourself that it was time to upgrade, quote unquote upgrade, from your beginner motorcycle? What would you choose between the Kawasaki Ninja 650, the Honda CBR 650R, the Yamaha R7, Ducati Supersport, or Aprilia RS 660? Comment down below and let's talk. Anyways, thanks for watching till the end. As always, thumbs if you enjoyed it, subs if you loved it, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.